welcome to my channel. It's your boy Jermaine here with Overtime Traders. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do a quick video on a introduction to binary options trading. Okay, binary options, it is fairly new. It is a form of forex trading. Okay, and I will give you a little background of what binary is. So if you go to YouTube and you type in what is binary options, okay, and so if you go type that in Google and you go down to Wikipedia, okay, so it says here, binary options is a financial exotic option in which the payoff is either some fixed monetary amount or nothing at all. Okay, the two main types of binary options are cash, yourself. So basically what it's saying there, guys, is it is a fixed amount that you bet, and you have a fixed amount of time to either get a profit or you will end up in a loss. Alright, so that's basically what Wikipedia is saying binary options is. Alright, I'm gonna take you guys to my broker. My broker is Pocket Option. Okay, that's my broker. Alright, I will leave the link below if you guys need to hop on this broker. It is a good broker. I have no complaints so far. Alright, so I will definitely leave the link in the description below so you can check them out. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna quickly show you a little about the platform here. So you need a fixed amount of time. So basically, when right here, it is a fixed amount of time. Alright, so you can either bet on 1 minute, alright, 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 10. Alright, doesn't matter, alright, what time frame you want to use. Okay, alright, right here you also have the amount that you want to trade. You can trade as low as $1. Alright, you can go all the way up 10, 15, 20, 30, 35, 40. All depends on you, how much you want to trade. Alright, and so basically right here, okay, you got call and put. Alright, those are the two options here. So basically green is to go higher and red is to go lower. Alright, right here, this is the payout is 80%. So you're gonna get 80% off what you are putting out. So if I put out, say, $10, I'm gonna make 80% off that, alright, which is $8. Alright, it's pretty good. Alright, also you do have here the different instruments, right? So it's the same thing as forex or forex trading. You have the pairs here. So you have odd JPY, Euro JPY, Euro CAD, GBP AUD. All right, and the list goes on and on. Right, you can also open up a practice account. All right, so which is called a demo account. If you wish to practice before, you can certainly do so. And with this broker, you only need $50. Okay, minimum of $50, and you can get on your way. All right, if you want to open up a real account. All right, so I'm not going to get too much into strategy. I will leave that for another video, but I just wanted to show you guys my broker and how to get started. All right, so that's basically it. I am going to get into a trade. I am going to show you guys uh, this is a real account that I am growing, so I'm just gonna probably do $2 and show you guys how I do it. Alright, I'd have two strategies. Again, I'm not going to get into those. I'm going to show you in another video. Alright, so right here, I'm just going to go lower. Alright, there you go. So that's the line right there. If it stays below this line, I'll be the winner. If within 1 minute, I meant to do that in 30 seconds because I can also do 30 seconds. Alright, but alright, so let's see. Alright, if it goes above this within that time, I lost the trade. Alright, so you'll be the winner, you'll be the judge. You'll see it is a real account. I am growing a small account. Alright, again, I have lots of videos that I'm going to be showing you guys. Alright, lots of videos. Okay, so it's going. Alright, so right here you can see I'm in the profit. It's right here. See, it's green. Alright, indicators, again, I'll get into those. Okay, alright, I'm counting down. Another thing I also want to show you guys where to get the indicators. Again, I'm not going to get into much. Alright, there you have it, guys. It's counting down. There you go. So my profit was $3.60. I won that trade. Alright, so I do have two strategies. They're above 80%. I was gonna say it's about 90% or more, but I know it's about 85-90% win rate, which is awesome. Alright, so if you guys want to set up your indicators, you just go here and all your indicators are all here for you. Alright, all your indicators are there. You want to change the minute, or if you want to use the line here, you can. I use the candlesticks. You can use the bars, right? Again, I use the candlesticks, or if you only use the area, all right, whichever you choose. All right, guys, so you want to deposit, withdraw, all that is there for you. All right, okay, so let's get back into trading. You go to quick trading, real account. Again, go to my real account. All right, and these are all my trades here. I'll quickly show you what I close. There you go. See all these greens? I won those trades today. Okay. Alright, they also have a social media platform. If you want to get connected with other traders, you can certainly do so. Alright. Okay, so the link will be in the description, guys. If you want to get onto this broker, they're fairly easy going. I do like them a lot, and I will be doing more videos to post so you guys can watch. I'm not going to do another, or maybe I should do another there. Okay. Alright, guys, so far I'm in the profit here. Oops, so far I'm in the profit. Okay, oops, I'm gonna be losing this one. I am going to be losing this one. Alright, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Oh boy, maybe not. Oh, I'm going to be the winner. There we go. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe. There you go, another 360. I'm the winner. I am growing my small account, guys. Any questions, please hit the subscribe button, share and like, send me a comment of what you guys want to see, and we'll definitely get back at you later. All right.